If you would like to put an offer forward, please get in touch with the office via email or telephone. Every offer received is reported to the seller in writing. In some situations, there may be numerous interested parties, so to ensure a fair process for all, it may be appropriate to have a best and final offer process put in place. The process will be explained clearly to all parties. The seller will review these and then make their final decision based on both price and the buyer's position. We support both the seller and buyer through this part of the process to ensure all parties come to a mutually agreeable price. Once an offer has been agreed, solicitor details will be requested from both parties and a memorandum of sale will be drawn up. This document is sent to all involved and outlines key information for the purchase of the property. This is used to start the conveyancing process.